let's talk about another great holiday gift that was actually sent to me to try out, and so far I'm loving it. So I've already used this, and now I'm going to show you how it works. So this is for like if you want to go ahead and curtain your nails, any sort of like pedicure you want to give yourself, put on nail polish, curtain your nails, take care of your feet. And I don't know about you, but it's sometimes hard to get to my toes just, as you get older. So this actually helps so that even if you're not as flexible, this helps a lot. So let's take a look. This is how it comes in the packaging. It actually comes with some nice toe separators for nail polish, but this is what it looks like. So it is made out of steel, and then you do have this nice rubbery surface. This is part that your feet are going to go on, and then you do have the stand. Now at the back of the stand, you do have a few ridges, so that once you go ahead and extend this, so it's going to be able to sort of adjust different heights and different angles depending on your needs. You have 6 different options here. So let's take a closer look at what that's going to look like. So this is the lowest one. You can go ahead and put it here and, go ahead and take care of your toes at this angle. Or if that's not good enough, you can go ahead and open this, maybe let's try the middle one. As you can see, it got a bit higher and the angle is a little different. The height is going to be this one. It is a bit more angled, but again, it is so much closer. My leg is so much closer to me in height. So this is really good to go ahead and start doing those pedicures, whether you are in that field or you're just at home trying to take a better care of your feet.